Hello everybody. Here today making this video to talk about my experience with Dwayne Williams and Mac Enterprises. Um, Let me start off by saying that I have known Dwayne now for more than 6 years. Um, if I remember correctly, we started our relationship, or I was introduced to him right before COVID started. And since that time, I can honestly say that my life has changed. The trajectory of my life has changed for the better in so many ways. Just a little bit of a background about myself. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Was born and raised there. But I grew up in an neighborhood that was crime-ridden, a lot of violence, and a lot of poverty. And being in that environment and being so young, son of a single mother, who raised 2 kids basically by herself on federal assistance and trying to work a job. We had a lot of rough days, to say the least. But being in that environment, I got caught up and became a victim of the circumstances of my environment. Long story short, I ended up in prison for a little while and didn't finish high school. Just, the average stuff that young people do when you don't know any better and you don't have the right proper guidance. But thankfully, my life changed from the moment that I got out of prison. That experience taught me and gave me a inspiration, so to speak, to not be a part of that life again. And so fast forward, I'm 56 years old now. My wife and I, she's a nurse. She's a registered nurse. She's been a nurse for over 20 years. We've been married for over 25 years now. We met Dwayne, and at the time that we met Dwayne, we had decent credit, and my wife, her income was, I don't know, what people would kind of consider a mid-level to high income. So what we wanted to do was just basically start a business, because we had been told for so long that if you start a business that you could get all of these tax breaks. So our mindset was to just try to get some of those tax breaks so that we could reduce her taxable income. And so we met Dwayne. We were introduced to Dwayne, and sure enough, Dwayne was able to help us to start a business. And I don't think he knew it at the time, but that was really our main focus. And so some time went by, and I began to talk to Dwayne, and I began to listen to Dwayne, and something changed in me. His personality, his passion, his knowledge, his wisdom, just his aura, it inspired me to do something more with what we had. So, some time went by, and for those of you who don't know, I've been around I'm not going to say I was there from the very beginning, but I've been with Dwayne for a long time. I like to tease him and tell him I was the guinea pig for a lot of the success that he's had right now with his clients. Dwayne and I started off, like I said, my wife and I, we had pretty decent credit, so we started off with Dwayne, and oh my God, we went through so many different lenders attempting to try to get loans, and the majority of them I got denied. And so from those experiences, I know it gave Dwayne a lot of knowledge, and he was able to perfect the system that he has now in place, that you guys are able to enjoy and experience the benefits of that. So I like to tease him and tell him that I was the guinea pig. But now, coming from that humble beginning and taking inspiration from Dwayne and the respect and love that I have for him, our business relationship developed into a close friendship. And so now he is one of the people in my life that, I would do things for. I'd give my left arm and probably a kidney for Dwayne if he needed it. He's that great of a person, and he's that important to my life, to our life, to my family's life, and to the success that we've enjoyed. My wife and I now manage from those humble beginnings, and just wanting to have a business that we could use, some tax advantages to go into. Now we manage we own and manage a real estate portfolio valued at over $1.4 million. Yeah, so that's a big jump. And my wife has a healthcare business that we started that, we're finally starting to get really established. It's taken off, and she's doing work where she is teaching nursing students and medical students and first responders. She's teaching them and getting them certified with CPR. So we have that going. And if things are continue to go right, in February of next year, we'll be adding another business to our portfolio. We're in negotiations now to acquire a dry cleaning business, and that dry cleaning business is already established and generating over $200,000 in revenue. So to say the least, Dwayne and Mac Enterprises has been there the entire step of the way, from teaching us how to structure our business, from setting everything in place, from teaching us how to manage our finances, from just giving us consultation on everything that has to do with finances and money and how to structure things properly. We would not be where we are, and a lot of our family and friends, they view us as successful people, and we take that as an honor. But I tell people, I'm so quick to tell people, the success that you see us, that we have and that we're experiencing and that you might admire and respect, everything comes back to Dwayne and Mac Enterprises. Seriously. I'm doing this video, and I'm trying to keep my emotions in check when I talk about this, but let me close this out by saying that what kept me going in those early days when we were not having success in what we were doing, what Dwayne was trying to do with us financially, what kept me going was because I could see the passion that Dwayne has for his business and just for the people that he's involved with. The commitment, the passion, and the genuineness and the transparency. Listen, it's difficult to find people in life that are willing to be completely open and transparent like Dwayne. And when you find those people, you grab a hold to them and you hold on to them, especially when they have a passion for succeeding and they have a passion to see other people succeed. And those of you that know Dwayne well know what I'm talking about. He's the real deal. So we couldn't be here. I wouldn't be making this video if it wasn't for him. I always kid him and tell him that I'm with him until the wheels fall off, and I mean that. I joke sometimes to tell them that when they're gonna have to bury us together, because if you go, I'll probably go with you. That's how important he is. But the work that he's doing, the work that Mac Enterprises does, it's real, it's genuine, it is a staple and a cornerstone in the community, and that's exactly what he wanted it to be. And he's worked his butt off to get where he is now. So if you want somebody that is going to give you the support and the foundation that you need to succeed, not just in business but in life, and if you want to build a legacy, my wife and I, it's not just about the business. We want a legacy. We want something lasting. We want something that we be able to pass on to our children's children. As a matter of fact, those of you who are faith-filled, the Bible says that a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. And that's exactly what Dwayne is accomplishing and teaching and doing with Mac Enterprises. So listen, if this video can convince anybody or everybody that you're welcome in this community from all walks of life, I'm here. I'm here to give my story, to tell my story, just to let you know, if you're on the fence, get off the fence. You will never regret it. You will never regret it. And Dwayne, keep doing what you're doing. You are a beacon of light, and I always tell you that, and I love you.